Hi everyone, and welcome to the first episode from Apex Luxury TV, where we will be having a series of webisodes filmed in these beautiful properties, highlighting the kitchens, the outdoor spaces, using local tastemakers from Maine.
So today we have Hannah Martin from the Fashion Cookbook. She is a food and fashion blogger, and we are so excited to have her at this property in this gorgeous gourmet kitchen today. Hannah, do you want to tell us a little bit about what's going on?
Of course. Today I'm preparing one of my favorite dishes for you gals. It is a high heat citrus roasted salmon.
And we are at 17 Spinnaker Lane in Yarmouth, Maine. This beautiful oceanfront property is available for summer 2020 rentals, so give us a call and let's get cooking.
So I'm thrilled to be making my favorite dish today, a high heat citrus roasted salmon. It's super easy to make. The thing I love about making a salmon is that not only is it delicious, but you can make it all in one sheet pan here. So to start, we're going to line our sheet pan with slices of citrus, which not only will make this salmon itself absorb all that tasty, delicious, juicy citrus, but it's also going to make it so that the fish does not stick on the pan. I have with me Car oranges, blood orange, Mayer lemons. I'm just going to place it on the pan. I'm going to open this and place that, drizzle some olive oil just right over our citrus on this bottom for our salmon to lay on. Next, we're going to cut our orange, and we're going to put the juice of one orange and one lemon. So after that was done, we're going to add our juice just right over the fish. Ensure this way it ensures it's nice and juicy and moist. Next, we're going to add the chili. Sprinkle over. I like it pretty spicy, but I'm not going to use the full chili this time, just in case. Okay, and salt and pepper. Ooh, another great local company. So we have Rosemont Bakery and Market. We have their pepper and salt. While the salmon is baking, we're going to make up a nice fresh salad to go on the side. Just going to add a bag of these organic spring mix. Add some sliced strawberries. And the strawberries are going to do taste really well with our citrus salmon. For a salad like this, feel free to use a goat cheese or a feta. I'm going to add that right on. Ooh, nice and cheesy. And some pumpkin seeds. 4 ingredients, and look how stylish that is. Next, we're going to do the dressing. Meg, if you want to help.
Well, so this is one thing that I always wonder, because I'm the type of person that orders a salad just so I can eat ranch dressing, but I know that's not super healthy. So you think that we can be happy just using a little olive oil and balsamic, is that true?
I'm so confident about that. I've done it a bunch of times.
Convince me, because I'm a creamy
just
dressing
2
type of girl.
ingredients, Maggie.
All right, so we're going 6 all together.
We're going to go with just a traditional Evo, which is the extra virgin olive oil, and then the pink grapefruit balsamic that we're going to add. Again, we're playing on the citrus notes that are also going to pair well with our salmon dish.
Smells really good.
We're just going to drizzle that right.
We love working with Fiore because they're a great local Maine company, and like Hannah said, they have a great new retail store on Congress Street right next to Ada's.
All right, that salmon should be done pretty soon.
I'm gonna still strawberry here. Let's see.
You may as well.
Not ranch dressing. Let's see.
Does it pass the test?
Oh, you know what? Perfecto.
Okay, so for the final plating, we're just going to place the salmon on a serving platter and actually take the citrus that was already under the bottom of the fish. You're going to just place that right over the salmon itself. You can glaze any of the remaining oil from the sheet pan. And we're going to just add some fresh dill to finish with our garnish. This is lovely. You have some nice, bright, warm colors from the citrus and fresh dill. All right, ready for the table. So if you're entertaining and you want to share this dish with friends, a great entertaining tip I love is it doesn't have to be that much at a table. It can simply have a bouquet of flowers, a floral arrangement. This one here is made by Florals by Fitzy. She's a Portland-based florist. We'll add that to the table. We'll have our plates. You're gonna serve your fish and our side of salad, as well as, I guess you guys have some wine you wanted to share with us, which will pair so well with the salmon.
Yes, so this Riesling we got at the cheese shop on Washington Ave, and it will pair perfectly with the salmon.
So good.
Pour that for
And
us.
for those of you who choose not to drink, all you can do is take some sparkling water. We're using that same pink grapefruit balsamic from Fiore that we used in the salad dressing. Pour a little bit over some iced sparkling water with a beautiful lemon, and it's delicious. It's so good. However, for those of you who do drink, cheers!
Cheers, girls.
Let's do
Dinner is served. Now, were those brownies that I smell cooking?
You sure did. Oh my gosh, this is my absolute favorite. So while the oven is still hot, you can bring it down to 350 while you're eating the delicious meal that you just made. You can toss in a set of brownies right from your pantry. Another local company I love, Stonewall Kitchen. They have their traditional brownie mix.
Caramel sauce.
Just grab your, yes, and the caramel, which is a salted caramel coffee. It's delicious. You can fizz it right on. You can make your own brownies at home. Yeah.
And of course, we have our custom morning blend of coffee at our Apex properties, and it will go lovely with the brownies. Even though it's a morning blend, it's orange milk chocolate and toffee flavored.
It's always morning somewhere, right?
Always morning somewhere. Who goes to bed?
Thank you so much for joining our first episode at Apex Luxury TV. Thank you, Hannah from the Fashion Cookbook, and we'll see you
much,
all
girls.
next time.